We're back with another video. We're going to be performing a mid-fade, but we're going to be paying attention to detailing. We're going to comb through and check for cowlicks and abrasions. We're gonna go ahead and get through the fade really quick. So right now we got the lever open and we're just gonna set in our guideline. We're gonna go ahead and knock it out really quick so we can get to the topic of the video. I made this video because I always said detail in the video and never actually showed you how I detail. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how I do it. Now we got the lever closed and we are going to knock out this initial guideline. I'm going to go halfway and finish knocking out this guy. Now we got the one open and we are just going to flick out to make our second initial guideline. Now we're halfway and we're going to go ahead and continue with knocking out this second guideline. Now what I like to do at the top is I like to take the highest guard I'm going to use, open it up, which is the 1.5 guard, and I'm going to go ahead and flick it out. The top he's not going to mess with because he's going to go and get it braided, so we're just going to go ahead and make a nice transition from top to bottom. So I have the 1.5 closed just to kind of smoothen out that area from the top of his hair to make the transition pretty good. So I go back in with the 1.5 guard to kind of smooth it out as much as I can. And we're going to slowly just drop down from the open position to the closed position. We're going to go from open to halfway to close. Now we got the one guard open and we're just going to slowly lighten this area up. And we're going to slowly just close it and lighten it up so it can kind of be dark at the top. Also going open to halfway to close. If you haven't already done it, go ahead and subscribe, like, and make a comment. Hit the bell for the next notifications of the videos. Now with detailing, I like to start with the largest guard and I simply close it little by little as I go down in the blend. So right now I have the one open and I'm going to be going open to halfway to close, and I do that with each individual guard until I get it detailed to the way I would like. So there's some areas where that guard would be too large and I will go to the half guard or even that lever open and just kind of spot check. I like to use the corners, where usually you should use the corners, because sometimes the full blade doesn't get the certain areas. So when you're spot checking, that's just total spots where you see things that are dark. That's why you use your corners most. I like to put the vertical bar on so I can see where I detail. I don't know, it's just something that I do, that I prefer. So I put a line on it so I can kind of see it. Now this arrow shows you that dark area between the bottom of the blend and the top of the hair. We're going to knock that out, and this other arrow is showing you a dark area that we're going to knock out. So I'm going to start with the half guard open, and I'm going to start there and start knocking out certain areas that I see that I do not like. corners. I don't just turn the clipper to the side and just use the total corner. What I do is use 3 to 5 teeth on the corner and just kind of spot check, looking in the mirror to make sure I got it. The mirror does not lie, so I look in there multiple times and make sure I pick out each spot that looks like it needs to be detailed. Said a lot, so I'm gonna kind of review what I said. Basically, you just start from the highest card that you did your blend in, and you slowly hit certain areas with corners and slowly close it to get the result. You slowly close it till you get the result that you're looking for, and you can do that with each card. And as you do it, you slowly go down in the blend and find the happy medium within the blend. And when you do it and it's cutting to the desired look that you're looking for, you go ahead and detail that area and then go down to the next card until you get the desired look. Now, it was still kind of dark at the top, so I went down 1.5 card, close again, so I can get it looking the way I would like for it to look. Now once I detail, I feel like I need to put a line on it again, because that's just once you detail, it feel like the line kind of loses its sharpness, and that arrow just to show you that there's certain areas that look different. Now I comb the hair out so I can get all the excess, so when he brushes his hair, don't overlap the line up. Go ahead and start on the other side. I've already combed the line about so I can get it really sharp. And we're going to start detailing this side. Now on this side, I'm just going to let you watch and watch how I do it and watch how I tend to close the blade. On this side, you can kind of see exactly how I'm using 3 to 5 blades, teeth in the blade, excuse me. look at there. That's super clean. I am that boy Blade, and I am